Bigyan natin ng reaksyon itong post ng GMA News tungkol sa di umano'y mataas na satisfaction rating ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Okay. So ito posted 10 hours ago, GMA News. Sabi nila, more than half of Filipinos or 59% are satisfied with the administration of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. during the last month of 2024, according to the latest survey of the Social Weather Station. Further, 17% are neither satisfied nor dissatisfied, and 23% are dissatisfied with the general performance of the national government. Okay, so lumalabas na tumaas po ang rating ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. itong last quarter of 2024. Ang nakakapagtaka dito, tinignan ko yung people who reacted. Nako, ito, 49,000 people who reacted. Yung tumawa, nag-like, nagalit, mga ganon. 44,000 tumatawa. What does this mean? Hindi sila naniniwala sa survey na ito. Ang nag-like lang is only 2,600. So, halos 98% people who reacted hindi naniniwala dito sa survey ng SWS or dito sa post ng GMA News. Although sinasabi ko na credible itong SWS, kailang baka mamaya yung presentation na naman ang diferensya. Example, yung balita ng mainstream media na SWS din 41% of Filipinos pabor sa impeachment ni VP Sara. So, lumalabas na, parang madami. Kailang nabisto o nabuking ni Mr. Rigoberto Tiglao, iniba nila yung presentation. Ang actual research ng SWS, 53% sa mga respondents are not aware of the impeachment of VP Sara. 47% lang ang aware. So, yung 47% na aware, doon nila kinuha yung 41%, which is wrong presentation. According to Mr. Rigoberto Tiglao, 19% lang ang pumapabor sa impeachment ni VP Sara. Maling presentation ng mainstream media. So, I don't know kung ano dito sa presentation na naman dito. Okay, magbasa na lang tayo sa mga comments, Kasi dito mo maramdaman yung pulso ng taong bayan sa mga comments. How many comments? Libo comments. Ang dami. Sa nabasa kong comments, ganun din, 98% negative sa Marcos administration. Magbasa lang ako Reynald Aguilar. Sabi dito, Filipinos today are suffering from hunger, lack of income due to low salary and high price commodities. Crime rates went up and were not safe anymore. Kidnappings of children were rampant nowadays. We should be alarmed. So, negative. Remy Milior salaries. PBBM is the beast. hindi yung best nga pinakamagaling, beast yung hayop, is the best and worst president ever. How come 59% are satisfied? Try to survey Visayas and Mindanao. Lorna Algodon, worst president in Philippine history. Faith Sanson Zabala, the worst administration, never again to Marcos. Naghahanap ako ng positive comments. May nakita ako kaninang isa. Win Malakad, the worst administration in the Philippine history. Roelo Kasihan, PRRD is the best president ever. Sitio Impi, the useless president of all time. Alimax Balagusa Bula, the funny president of the Philippines. Bakit funny? Nakakatawa. Yung sabi niya na katatanim lang namin, nag-ani kaagad. Oh, ang daming Facebook reels na ginawa. Nagtanim ng saging, harvest kaagad. Tapos nagtanim ng bigas. Oronicad Jad Halal, the worst president ever. Joyka Albarix, knowing Marcos is in power now, it's not surprising he can magic the surveys and election. Juliet Dalagite Gika, to be honest, we are expecting something more from President Marcos since we Filipinos believe na siya ang mag-continue sa sinimula ni President Duterte. And that is the reason why I voted for him. So, nasaan yung continuity? Wala. Nance C. Sabi niya, biggest Filipino mistake. John V. Ocolam Boniel, 80% of Filipinos want to impeach that president. Ito, positive naman. May isang positive. Shehana Kapoor, while the Dutertes are busy with their destabilization moves, the President and Speaker was simply working hard for the Filipino people and for the country. Mahiya naman kayo. Tapos may nag-reply, 184 nag-reply sa comment na ito. Nako, binatikos nila itong pumuri. That's part of democracy. Yan Ray, sabi niya, never again to Marcos. Janet Gayumba Tadi, biggest nightmare of the Filipino people. Chepiman Chaseleman, everything controlled by money. Chuck Loy, scripted GMA News. So John Stolz, sabi niya, tumataas presyo ng bigas, bumababa presyo ng shabu. 5,500 flood control projects natapos daw pero mataas pa din ang baha. Man ni Noy, I vote him but Kamura Rice satisfied kay ako wajud. Hindi daw siya satisfied. Main Al Kenzi, what a joke. Gilbert Alimanyana Futol, it's all about money. Biggest scam. Oh my G. Rifingel Ayunan Makuzi, it's a big joke. Pangatik oy. Marical Fidernal Morillo, mas okay pa mga vloggers kisa dito sa JMA. John D, really? Just tell it to the Marines. Marcial Bonifacio, ang galing talaga mamiki ng mga Marcos. Okay, so tignan nyo, no, may nabasa akong comments kanina na kasi ngayon mainit ang issue tungkol sa blank items sa BICAM. Yung sinampanahan na sila ng kaso sa Supreme Court. may nagsabi, nabasa ko lang, na itong mga ganitong balita, lumalabas na maganda para sa mga administrasyon. So, ito na mga diversionary tactics para malihis yung atensyon ng taong bayan doon sa mas mainit na issue, yung blank items sa BICAM report. So, okay, bahala na ang taong bayan. Maniwala ba sa mga sorbing ganito o wala? Basta dito sa balitang ito, 98% or 44,000 tumatawa. Kakaunti lang ang nag-like. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila naniniwala na maraming Pilipino ang satisfied sa Marcos administration.